Yamo Koba Adom TV, bedroom Jumadi, so Yadamon Watama says, Wadia Hosapeno, a brayer, dear do sono ya semidika, a hani a becano, Sabaya beto wasi. It's now one of my dear Sibako, Mianumi and Sunny and Ka. Yaberano na aje and Semo, Media Fia among Qua Tamaklo. Come away na yentie, yan femo for to some na yentu to yan who na ya besran so sem rano so ebeye djuma nya se bia ye kasa ti asade ne nya keke nemum ewo se anamontuo bi ekoso na etumi eboa anopa di asem na aba ese edika ewo se wutie na won so bia wabo trimo pose bia pose wo yesa watwo ho ade afrimo yenka bi hye manura na se over the weekend no ye hu se video bi viral na video no Greater Accra Regional Hospital and as a Rich Hospital na yehu se video si bi na obi kasa bebre inyina ne se ye the patient bi akọ emergency na de o kasa o video no mu no ehunu ne se apomudi adwuma yefo na wo ho sabre na ho keka no anso ani enti no e wo so wo ye na wo teatea mu ani die mu ye kasa wi na obi atwa na atendidie saa no we be de yakoya dim so man asam no aba na wo se nyina ye gina so ne etu ye hofo ne kasa ne tetene e ma ne ma ye yie no enne obi nya wan Ghana na onya data no wote so no de asi nanim no wo kasa no wo ye wo no odi atem saa basa nenso no kura eye baako ye fa eye hospital eye bia you can't just go there and do recording keke ebi abonte ho na ebi abeye but not inside emergency ward other family members and so edaho one more yare nti ebia na wo point to nanso approach no what the fire no what's yenhye da nhunu de odwumayeni sabre nurse ni kro anase staff na wo ho sabre no ne no wo mo ye because ho ye emergency nti obi a wo ho bia ho hia yare kra de akitu animu o yare me se na wote ase na yare bia mo honam nipaduan bibia ye okay a danyame ase o na yare pe ena me odefo eye akoa wo sika se die na yare bowa wo so se die yare nti wo baba fom enti wo sa rich Greater Accra Regional Hospital emergency ward no emergency to obi wo ho bia de ehia obi ya sabre no emergency ene bia wo do de no awram tu hunu ne se wo so de na wo de awram no emergency medafo approach ben na wo se yekono kwan ben na wo se ye fa ne ye kasa because a nurse fo na adwuma ye fo sabre no wo mu gina ho wo mu ye nipa menya sure na meni hobi menya sure se bia ubowuramu no na obi ejejina ho akeke emergency yenya ne sa even the entire hospital no kra no nko no wanko hu se ye jejina ho sa akwa ebia na obi owo break bi ene odidie anase bia sabre no wapon ene woko ewo mu se ye woni pa bia wo mu suru wo mu ban wo hospital ho no ye beka no another time ebi mu ho no mu a ase ye pia wo mu na akwa akogu nti wo mu osuban bi wo ho e no ye beka ho asem but ye woni pa bi nso wo ho a eye passion wo mu de no wo ma dampo na ofra wo mu say emergency bibia sia wa ho keka eye different enti wo emergency hospital na say emergency ward ho no a bibia sia ye hwe wo do odi aba no e bia wa pre obi we de no ye emergency pant moda wo ma ho na betimi ahwe no na wutie ne no se de ye kɔ no a emi so wo mo ebusa card ne ade so wo nim se de hospital etie ye no patient no ana family members relatives no ye kwa ye adwenko ye no because nipa na ho de wo famu no ne ade enti no ye pese ho no a no eye no kra pa because e bia ho no a ya anya bibia nipa no betumi afiri mu eno na bia ye kire ni aba we nke hu yanka no ne ye mpese ebesie nti e bia na sa na nka ene na ye te e wo video no mu no sa ene wo pese wo ye nanso approach no the way I can no the way we hear no and nunti and I don't from so aba and so e bia na wo point pa Thomas e bia na wo point pa nanso kwan a wo fa so a wo ye no na me question ba ko ne say a whole emergency emergency ni gate na no ho enti sa bre ne nipa bebre no mo ye de no mo nya access wura ho security wo ho no ye weak ye weak emergency ward a nipa bebre egu ho se nipa kura ni ho kura ho ye emergency se ye dwo bi ho na video e koso hospital obi ne privacy e so de abeto abonten enye obi akura na nim so osumesi ana obento yare da ho e wo emergency e de abeto abonten sa bre no enkekamu eni hey no kura no e betimi ama obi mpo afirimu e ho no adwen na nko ho da bi because ye mbota ye ni nyina ye de sa bre ye de ni wura mu no e ho na ne ye hwe no ba ya nwene adese no ye wura mu ye kokoto wo mu no e wo se ye hwe ho nso mamoma ase tumi die bi ni akesesemu bi ye nya niema bi ma ne ntra so sa bre no emergency o a wo bi wo ho wo de akura se bi asabi wuti migraine bi kura chew na wuti dwawo na bi aspin na bi ehye wachi ho bi aba bi wo ho no wo bonyum na obiemu a wo se de ya na agigi like na wuti wo tetew umpedede obi yare ohia din like I was baby environment ni ye din na de we ye heye ni nipa se de muwura ho yi ebe ma obi kura ehu wahwe anu wafiru ebe ma obi aye mistake because obi hunu baby nipa ni bi firi ba eni de bi ekura obi a wodi wura mu nti e bi ade a wose ye de fa ha na ye de akofa ha ya nwene ho na se wo ye se ya ananse sa de ya asie yi eni obi a betumi aye sa because say na akosi na ye statement ne ye de aba ne ya condemn sa de a obi a so betumi awura mu sa de wo hia ne se wo macho man ba ko mienu bi nye o man de ne bi na ne anu anu so awura mu there be security wo ho na akra ye week da me kra de me point ni say emergency na say emergency wo akasa wo nsore mfa ne nwura mu eye process wo kwa ho no ma stretcher wo ho a ye de ne beto so ni ahwe en uma ye prepare ye ho a wo bewie kire wo no a wo ko save obi no no mom so aha akote yare foforo nti eye process eye boko ebi ade bi a wo ye na ho keka ne nkoye eye kasade eye abotre enye gidi enye gidi o nti wo ye sa gidi na wa ba the office no no so because for you know wo ba ye no kra say wo mo attend to obi nti ono say nipa ne nya ne de ne nto because of wo ye hwan abotre ene kasade ba we no eni kwa say ye just condemning keke ye statement aye de aba na say director de be maye a wo hwe video no ene say like the way video no kra in the first place na wrong na say ye kra yakọ hospital ne yakọ akọ ye nkwahianom ne nyinsa ne awo ye siki permission enye bi bia na ade beto abontene na wonwu say ye kra ye news a minors nom ne ade ye mfo mudi mo even sabi in court obi kra ye hunu so ye wudini allegedly yakasa bi enipa we wakum we ana wakowia we kra ne ye de mo ba ya ble won anim until ye prove sampa so esi ana obenten no ade no ye na bi ade na din beba ana ade na nim beba no we wura a whole big hospital like Ridge according to Ridge hospital one more statement one more ede eba ya mi amedofo Juliana Haruna oye PRO ede eba ye no Ridge hospital o see emergency ho no ye so busy pa every day ye ram ye ko ye ba and one more year one more adwuma according to statement no obi anim obi eye adwuma nti no wo ba ye enti wo mu treat obi equally na wo ba ya pomdi adwuma ye ni ya se wo buru ni ene say obi maame obi brother oba ye adwuma som ne man nti buru na wo buru no ho no ano bibi sesan ya na yes and bibia eba stand still obi anya hwe because obi nhu de oye mi wa na ekosi obi death ye hwe ho na wo ye say ya o doctor no obeja wako obekọ ontena ho because they see ye obi nkasa obi nwe sabat e bia na se bibi hye ho na abufuo ba wonim de obetumi de aye I will see a to yebo eye no kure sometimes apomudi adwuma ye phone mu bi suban no ya na ka akoma ya but media mi hunu ni mokra ne ibeje obi enwura ho keke o nti eye de na afi na nipa na na mo ye hwan na hospital ho no security for na obi ani ho ana na how eye de no mutumi wura ho emergency at least e bia wo fa OPD na process de na fa so eye emergency ampa ka no de ne ba be gina emergency ani mu ho na fe ye and Ridge Hospital Greater Accra hospital ho so ntimi nwura mu akeke nti ho no panimfo e wo ho e wo se mutu mu anamon we ni kwan se ye condemn ye de ya no keke o se ya anye bibi ne obi nso be ye because osomasi ye no hwe ye nsi ye condemn nti obi nso be ba be ye nti e bi e no de anye ene de ye o anye de esi ne ye o obi ono ko be ko extreme obekọ ama abroso afi ube wie na e committee ne ebete na no sabre ne nipa no kọ ti committee odi o ye bete o nipa no nsa man kwamu biem nti we de empanifo Ghana Health Service Ministry of Health and a rate mamu mano nso ho na mo mano kura ne nadi na ne wo se mra no da no yemfa nto ho pepepe because ye do obi akọ situation bi at that time enye papa e ho ne ya hwe ho de e me nkasa keke me menye brofo no akeke because aye nei mamu ya nsia no ye besa ate foforo and minim omaya ya sasanete ye record ade ba aku bia ya nya careful to so saa ebedine na wo tweda pepepe ti e wo se mo mamra no eye adwuma mi hu bi da ge dede no kra no mo bi yam hyehye no e mo bi BP kra ba soro bra woni BP anase bia ne BP level kwa na eni so because obi nim e bi obi be dwen se bibi na asi nti obi adwase obi adwane a whole emergency o ya the time in a year adwuma kwen ye de ayesi obi so na se yes why imagine we are ye kai mamu maye nano amanyosam me maye nano say obi attack you obi o debi minimo bia wo mu me attack you obi eye no kro no ne pese e dadie say ye nyai obi ka asem a ne yakotwa no wo baabi e de obi akotare ho aya yintime nkwaya nim so man de si ye enye e wo se by ana kaba na wo se ye hunu bibi say ya pick nkrofo bisa omo questions doctors yi dwane ne nurse fo yi dwane de nka wo so wo ye no wadwane nti se nyanya me na ba mu a sa few seconds minutes na e call sa stand still no unim de akosi obi unim and ye can say because am me wunti no un appreciate un feel it until be bo kotodwam and na obete na ase nti e base ye can say ya and ne bi ento ensi ye nti until be happen to you and I feel so be sorry but a bra no aso se niema ne suban bi eti say ye no yetimi twa so yetimi kaseti a enye fe so it means they are not safe. No shan emergency room ye adwuma na obi free nowhere bang because ne de ne superior or no ye more than emergency than omo e wo hodada no mi wa ho ye emergency obi ade emergency wo mu hia say attend to a ceremony die mu momma mra no ye adwuma momma ye set good example sabe ye nchirima no nsunsua eno ne ya ma o man ye kwa ne asabe form no ye kwa o man 68 years ni 68 senka your pension and so here to the ceremony demo health minister honorable Kwabena Minta Kando mamu mane nsi hwa director general Ghana Health Service me mane nsi hwa CEO Greater Accra Regional Hospital mamu mane nsi hwa mamu me nyai mamu ye nkata so na investigation be be free akobia mamu ye nhunu ya kata so anaja ade ti bi ati asebufuro nti we ye ni na wo tweda wo ase ne ajampe ne ekofoforo sa ba ba ne boho a ye be hunu se be ya e be set good example so e dia ma foforo na bi si bi eni kwa se bi si enye fe enye ami ko kwabena ho be me na emu a chen bi emu
Joseph ya boko de
Adom na ne kurokura yen
okay
so the see no me sure say wo hu bi ati bi
yes may take time I go through Tony Goodman, deputy director and spokesperson for the Ministry of
Health.
Is it the Ministry of Health? Well, I think they should go beyond this, and you know, everyone say, "Oh my, we did some money, and could do this money." They walk in the corridors of power. No, I know. I've just been shown some pictures. Yeah, they said gentleman, no, and a person, no. Timinya could do bro, moya, 37 walking cancer, Ghana for, and people benefited from it. You know, it's difficult for people to take decisions now. By a whole ministry, an emergency ward, your disruptor, interrupter, and you come and write this loose statement for all of us. How safe are we then? And let us assure. Say, Bibi a shall say, Bibi a kawa, na abaye normal. And they say, the ministry made me patient. We do confirm not here. Nama boy Roma disruptive Bibi na abaye normal. Na ministry na we are, but nama ba kolibu. Because that is how we entertain people. Nipa na wa di se adwuma no. Ona mo sa na oko. Into selectivity. My doctor friend me. I say, where have we got into? I'm better make actual. Where have we got into as a country? That obi from nowhere, Odishia pra. Now the Madishia go on more attending to them. And emergency means emergency. Every second
emergency.
I didn't miss it. Why?
Serious. And we are Pabla, me no. We are here see a kesie Why? Ubakon kumani mu chip compound no me ade no. Sahaya ntimi anya. E ho de na kokra de hwe
There's too much impunity. It's too much. And it's individuals that Bambophony knows them. Politicians knows them. Because we benefit from their foolishness. Apart from that, Sadiana Anamona Nipaku be to know. Say home man for so my year correct to me pa. A dear partner a day say betriaso. And I have said this several times. It is only when the party in power goes on break. Anna, all the agencies na Juma on the said administration. And be kwa home Jimmy. Nyana all the intelligence boys go 24 hours. And this be kwa home Jimmy. They will come back and work as if nothing happened in NDC time. And that's the danger we all face. A citizen of this country, or no gather and conform emergency. No any other word, emergency.
Na me say, animu hwan wo mo break rules. What me gather ko emergency na hona ho so ahia. Mfidie sisi bi so. Say, hey,
this is becoming and politicians should be careful. Tony Goodman, Onu ministry say when a candle sanctions some of we don't have a problem. If this is what the ministry, and sometimes we don't wish evil for anybody. But say Oyon could be Udofu be Ubushani be Kana, what go through this trauma. Can you react differently? If this is the letter that the whole ministry feels that we can write for such a grievous offense now we are committing, the ministry is taking steps, the minister has been there, how do you pay for that trauma? No? And you will set up security. Now that with TV man tema, I was a specialist be a caster when you
yes.
When they see you. Now they are. When they see
now when so hear me say over the weekend and up to another Tuesday.
No, we now catch your chocolate every day. That's what we do because we benefit from it. If we don't benefit from such characters, why can't we be definite on taking decisions about these things? It encourages people. It emboldens people to misbehave.
Simple.
Because when we get to that point of then we start now seeking for self-protection and self-defense. Maybe I could know.
Because
hospital party.
hospital and kwabna hospital eye moja se bia we pra kwa moja enti wo se nipa no awo mu bibia no enye okay ansa no watu anomo na de ye yakoya check compound ho ebe dey yakoya health centers no so na ho ebe dey.
But if you need attention, if you attack the nurse and the doctor, how do you get that attention?
Enti they say one enko
yes o hia se so wase a o ye den ko na ko o mo mbe so wase ama wo what emergency situation na dey aba no o metimi atene na ma wo omo no wakota ta omo didi omo atem cancer into omo nyina betwe omo at the expense of nipa omo hwe omo no. If they are to tell you what has happened few days here within here, you have no idea. Behaving as if say we are patriotic than, but this is foolishness. Why? Yes, so no matter how. Me say enchebia, mba inform anka, mo amuti mo amufia, de mo bia sisia no, mo betwa pekofe. Mo titifie sa de mo bia no, mo betwa na afie nyina wo se awie. Well, no I'm saying, my baby, I just
ya can de ya gidi ye sempedi for be de no.
It's not just about that. Sanya ya magalam say abe say na koma. Ya hwe ye. It's not just about that. Ade na eba, ye say our party way, na eba. After the amini ye nyina, it's killing all of us now. Fighting it back, no, after the kill ye nyina as say. After I don't know, we'll take drastic measures. What measures are drastic? That say, discipline and then pushing out politics from it and serving the Ghana interest. Why?
The problem I'm from see hey, and the problem square was here, and then she had Benada, be possible. And see, Mammy from see her, or noble Cobna Cocofu, and more quaba. Media fear among quarter maclo, my Cobna Sante, then Pensembono et Wasso. But as Nemo Shannon song. Say ABC game no so twa nko ade a ubedi na Shannon so ma me say e wo say ya wo twa no 5 pm wo twa no wo follow prompt na e be kire say Adom TV no 5 pm nti ya Shannon so na kwa Adom TV time no 5 pm wadi no kufu na no say oba foforo na me ye ni interview 5 bit so. Oh, me wahara say me numbers no 3 letters no ba ko 5. Oh no ma double no. Say agro. Twane sisi na 5 pm bo hu an say una akure. We do sika pofu. Thomas twa de Festus twa de obi antwa. Frank twa de obi antwa na utwa ubedi me ko man hene.
Well, if you that say also we need to be careful as a country because no matter brewa ekoso my woman. It's so worrying and so heartbreaking. You know, also I'm a part new my sister or mine, ultimate drinking out the new messy aquaman, new metimi cosono. Then these are the things that come up for us to be discussing. We have challenges when it comes to education, our health sector, our roads, welfare of the Ghanaian youth. Very important. People are so frustrated, looking for opportunities in life. Nipa ko suku a omunya kwanya nya adwuma omunya bank bi asabi bosia bi a entumu ni ho kase bi obetimi start na nkran. We are not getting this. Okwa agreka frustration a draw amanfo anim kuayo etwitwa ekoko no enuane gu areho ahonte e bi nya sa akokuduro no ye wo hawo so wona ya amanyo sema tumi kura mo no mam ya nya careful people will come after you because you so no must say enyew. Emrano chibinim na jabinim. Emrano chibinim and people are observing the space. Asema asuma siko kan no obentin ko kan ono be fa no adi. Asuma si de emrano ni bidi. How do you practice such a situation in a state like Ghana?